All right, so here we are, July 3rd, and we are talking probably one of the coolest things I've seen in a long time. Never seen it before. I've been raising my own bees purposely for 4 years, 5 years. You count the first year when I had a crash course, but I've never seen this before. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a minute. But I wanted to take a peek here. I got so excited, I gave these girls 10 drawn frames. And I'm just gonna take a peek in the middle here and see if they're actually storing any honey. But the surprise is a little later. Might be able to figure it out a little bit. Maybe not. So anyways, I just wanna get in the middle and see if they're actually storing honey or not already, but they are. They're putting honey up here. That's all nectar. So these were extracted frames. I gave it to last week. So these were completely empty last week. They were drawn though, so they didn't know how to make any work. Oh, look at that. That's got nectar too. So chances are, yeah, I'm gonna get honey off of this hive. But the most exciting part is in the deep box. Let me just look at one more. See if that's coming in. That is, that's all nectar, except for right there. That's open right there, but that's nectar. All right, not what I wanted to really show this video for. I've got enough of those, but this queen, this split that I made, and I made this split off of one of my hives, my 3-year-old queens, and she has 2 black rings. So I'm not 100% sure what she is, but I'm gonna pop this. All right, so I did, yeah, like I said, they went right to, hold on, let me fix the camera here. Hold on one second. I put them right into single brood chamber. Good. Make sure that's coming in perfect. So they went right to single brood chamber. And we'll see what we can do for honey off of these girls. Have a wandering queen. Come on. Okay, so making sure she wasn't. They're putting tons of wax on the sides here. Come on, girls. Let's come on. Make some room, ladies. Come on. Just squeeze this one out here. This is very waxy frame. Wax everywhere. All right, so she is, whoa, we got a super seeder cup. What are we doing, girls? What's the matter? Did I mess with you too much by giving you too much space? But that's a beautiful pollen frame. All right, she looks, so she's got larva on the outer edge here. All right, so let's see if we can find her. So this is a hive that went from 5/5 nuke, and then I spread them out. This is all honey. So I might have put the frames in backwards. But no, there's some larvae right there. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. Not gonna mess with it. I already messed with them last week, but anyways, this is a split off a 3-year-old queen that I have. All right, that's more nectar. And that's all nectar. So what are we doing, girls? What are we doing? I gotta, I'm looking for my queen. All right, so I want to manipulate it a little bit. This is all nectar, so this will go to the outside. And then we'll have a frame right there with got nectar with a little bit of brood, but that has more brood on it. So anyways, I have never in the 5 years, 4.5, whatever you want to call it, 5 years of making my own splits. There's Labra right there, small. I have never had a queen like this. So everybody always asks what kind of queens I have. And I started with Italians, but I think over the 4 to 5 years, look at that. Over the 4 to 5 years, we're kind of turning into a mutt. And I'm not 100% sure what I got. Whoa, what do we got? Supersedure cup there. So they're mutts. They're not really nothing in it. But look at the brood pattern already. Look at her go. That's not even why I'm showing you in this video either. But it's she's hard to find. So yeah, I've got mutts, pretty much mutts. I have no idea what they are. It is what it is. They're at the mercy of what everybody is around you. I'm not a commercial guy. So I don't set up mating yards. So they mate with whoever's out there, and I depend on who has what around me. All right, I'm not seeing much here. A lot of pollen, nice capped little section right there. So looks good. Just haven't found my girl yet. So I'm gonna go slow and find her. I'm gonna go slow and find her. All right, so this is, I'm going to tilt it the other, this is all eggs. All right, so she should be close. She should be close. Tilted in the sun, that's all eggs. That's going to be a whole frame of brood. That's going to be nice, beautiful frame next week. All right, like I said, she's hard to find. She's hard to find, I think, because you get so used to looking for certain. No, I don't see her. All right, so she's down here, ladies. Where you hiding the girl? Oh, that's heavy. That's gonna be all honey. Yep. Well, they're moving it. There she is, right there. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna ask everybody to tell me what type of queen that is. I'm gonna say Russian, but I have never had an all black queen. I've had a couple black rings on a golden brown or a brown queen, but I have never had a queen like that. She is gorgeous. So, is she full-blown Russian? I don't know. I'll have to do a little bit of research, because last week when I found her, I never expected her, and I was actually looking for a lighter queen. So, there she is. And like I said, in 4+ years that I've been raising my own queens, oh, she is something else. She is black. Looks like she's got an egg hanging out her butt. Anyways, I am not gonna mess with these girls anymore. She's on there. They're moving honey up. I'm excited. So my mutt, did I actually get a full-blown Russian this time? I don't know. Pretty cool though. No. Like I said, I've never had that before. Oh, look at the honey. Thing weighs a ton. All right, we're getting. All right, I can't imagine she laid on the other end, but I'm gonna leave them alone. That's it. I'm closing these girls up, but I'll take your advice, your opinions on what we think it is, and I guess we'll do a little bit more research. Thank you for watching.